As a person who has graduated in college, there is a mechanical keyboard like this one is enough. 100 for keys layout can be used anywhere. Its sound of the blue switch typing makes me comfortable. The most important thing is that it is a full key anti-ghosting, plus a variety of RGB lighting effects. Make the gaming experience to a higher level. It also has a full key hot-swappable axis. Keycaps can be replaced at will. Gold-plated USB interface plus the extra cable slot design make the keyboard more durable. This Meetion's MK007 Pro absolutely is the first choice of pragmatism.